The beef-wrapped spaghetti is the best easy dinner I have ever made. This classic Italian pair is combined in a new creative way. The spaghetti is wrapped in the meatball, and it all bakes together in a delicious, creamy tomato sauce. Take 750 grams of ground meat. I use beef. Season with salt and ground black pepper. Add paprika and rosemary. Then mix well. Form the ground beef around the middle of the 60 to 70 grams uncooked spaghetti noodles. Repeat for each member of your family. Around 125 grams of meat and 70 grams of spaghetti for one portion. Chop the sweet red bell pepper. Two tomatoes, one red onion, a small cup of fresh parsley or dill, grate 200 grams of Edam or cheddar cheese. You can cook beef and spaghetti on the pan or in the oven. To cook it on the stove, heat the olive oil in a large skillet and fry beef over medium heat on each side for about 3 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 250 milliliters of water, add chopped onions, peppers, and tomatoes. Season with salt and pepper. Cover with lid and simmer over low heat for 20 to 25 minutes. If you would like to cook it in the oven, take a deep baking tray. Put in beef and spaghetti, add tomatoes, onions and pepper, add water, making sure pasta is covered. Add 3 tablespoons of sour cream, two tablespoons of tomato paste, season with salt and pepper. Enjoy your pasta with meat and veggies. Share your experience in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And subscribe to my channel for new, easy, delicious recipes.